Hello, in this lesson, we'll explore how to create a pricing plan and set up payment on your website, so users can quickly sign up for your course. Course payments rely on pricing plans that allow students to decide on their preferred price and access to content or instructor feedback. Having multiple pricing plans allows you to test which option performs best and adjust prices based on demand. In SendPulse, you can add, deactivate, or delete pricing plans whenever needed. To add a pricing plan, go to the course settings and open the Pricing Plans tab. Students can pay for a course in several ways. One method is via the Pricing Plans widget, which can be added to the registration page. Another option is to use the Courses element in a pop-up, where users can select the desired course, pricing plan, and even apply a promo code. Additionally, payments can be made through a link generated in the CRM or directly from the student account, where instead of the Start Learning button and Pay button appears for unpaid courses. You can also manually update the payment status if a student pays through alternative methods. To do this, open the course journal, find the student, and select Confirm Payment if the payment was made outside the system, for example in cash. The payment status can also be updated automatically in the automation section by adding the appropriate element to a workflow, or in chatbots by configuring a payment flow that automatically registers and confirms the payment after completion. You can also send webhooks to your own system to notify you when users successfully pay for your products. Go to Account Settings, open the API tab, and in the Webhooks for Success Payments, Webhooks, click Create a Webhook. Paste the URL where you want to receive the event and click Add. In the course journal, the instructor can see the pricing plan name and payment status, paid or unpaid. To view it, hover over the dollar icon next to the student's name. You can also see more details under the Statistics tab in the Payment section.